Oh, this is the first time Manila again. I think the last time na meron ganito was like 1996, no? And we've been planning this noong 2020. Kaya lamang we-cancel it. April din yun. Kaya lang March pa lang dumating yung pandemya. But this is an activity sponsored by the city for our LGBTQI community and their parents and their family. Sa Manila, tulad na lagi ko sinasabi, walang mahirap, walang middle class, walang mayaman, walang bakla, walang tomboy, walang lalaki, walang babae. Lahat dito ginagalang pantay-pantay. Especially itong Ermita Malate area. Marami kaming minana rito na magagaling na individual na member ng LGBTQ. Kaya ito naman na gusto namin i-revive, maramdaman ng bawat isa sa Maynila. Bawal ang prejudice. Sa Manila, lagi kang welcome. You're at home. We wanted to make you feel you're always welcome here in Manila and express yourself respectfully. At the same manner, we on the other side of the river respect the preference in life. And here in Manila, you can excel from your field of undertaking.
Gano'ng ka-importante at saka bakit gano'ng kalaki support ay LGBT?
Because Manila is the capital of the country, the window of everything. We wanted to showcase to the world the way New York, San Francisco, and Amsterdam is doing it to Europe, to America, and here in the Philippines. Makita naman ng taong bayan dito sa Manila. Welcome po kayo sa Manila. That's why we call it Manila, Manila, my Manila. And now it's Manila Summer Pride. Kaya sana po mag-enjoy kayo dito your day to the proud parents who ang kanilang mga anak ay member ng LGBTQI. Dito, welcome kayo lagi sa Maynila.
Balak naman natin ito gawin taon-taon.
Taon-taon. Basta walang aberya, taon-taon. Laging ngayong Abril kasi maganda yung panahon, summer, it's time to shine for them here in Manila.